You can create this type of animation using Alight Motion app. Let me show you how. Make a new project by clicking on this plus icon. Select this ratio, select resolution to 180p, set frame rate to 60 fps, set background to black and click on create project. Click on this plus icon, create a text layer, type your text, select your font, change its size and color, click on OK. Now change its size by clicking on this size button, go to 50 frames forwards, add a keyframe, now get back, now reduce its size. Now click on this rotation option, add a keyframe and change its starting rotation to 190. Let's add graph, click on this graph button, click on this and add this elastic graph. Now go to size and choose this elastic graph. Now your animation will look like this. Now add an effect called linear repeat effects, add it. Let's change its count to 150. Now set its position to 0. Now go to angle, add a keyframe and set its starting angle to -70 degree. Now click on the scale option, add a keyframe. Now go to first frame and set its scale to 0. Now let's add elastic graph to all of these options which we keyframed. Now go to color option, select color, set it to black. Now select this blend color to 1. Now scroll down and enable this invert option. After this everything is done. Now your animation will look like this. You can change its background color, like I am changing it to orange color. By the way, you have freedom to choose whatever color you want, like I am changing it to red. Now its color is changed. Link is given in the description for XML file. You can download them.